Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today I'm gonna be the worst Prodigy player. Okay, guys, so basically the challenge is simple. I'm gonna be putting on the worst armor possible, and I'm gonna try to win some battles. So yeah, let's just go. So first, guys, we have to decide what armor. So obviously I'm removing this hat, and we're going with the Climber's Torque.
Bruh.
Okay, guys, so we are all decked out, looking pretty sick. Okay, first to test out our new armor, we're gonna go to the Titan, and okay, let's just go into a normal Titan battle with our trash armor. So yeah, let's just go. Okay, we have 11,000 health. So he does have more health than me. Okay, I guess Falling Star Smash for a spell. Okay, first problem correct. That's good. Let's see how much damage we're doing. Ooh! Oh, not bad at all. Okay. 3,500, but oh,
You stupid.
Oh no, we're losing. Okay, we might actually lose against the Titan, and that was a critical hit. Okay, we do have enough for Supernova, so let's use Supernova. This is not looking good at all. We're literally getting destroyed. Okay, guys, so we just defeated Titan. I think we need to take our worst Prodigy player into Firefly Forest. Oh, hey, Floor, what's up? Hello! Alright, let's try to get past this monster. If we can win this, we might actually not be the world's worst Prodigy player. Easy work. And let's go! That's a lot of damage already off the bat. And that is another easy win. So yeah, guys, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, me being the worst Prodigy player with some really bad armor. If you guys have any video requests, make sure to leave them down below in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.